How to fix Messenger story not showing on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first you will just go and open settings of your phone, and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. Now you will just search for Messenger. When you found it, just open it like this, and you have to go now to storage. On storage, click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click for stop and click go back again to your home page and go to Play Store and update Messenger again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.